Welcome to the Mortgage Classroom. Today we're going to be discussing the 12 steps to the home buying process. Step number 1, loan application and documentation. This is where I would collect a bunch of information about you to determine what type of loan options may be available to you, and then the documentation will support the information of that application. While the documentation is not required during the pre-qualification process, it's highly recommended because we need that information in order to verify all the information in the application to be accurate and usable in the mortgage world. Step number 2 is scheduling what I call a mortgage planning session or a pre-qualification meeting. This is where we're going to meet face-to-face and get all of the answers to the questions that you have and get you fully pre-qualified. Step number 3 is the hunt. This is the funnest part of the process, and that is you working with a real estate professional to find that perfect home. During that phase, you'll be looking at properties, you'll be negotiating terms, and your agent will help you through this process. Step number 4, after you purchase your home, we'll meet again and go through the preliminary mortgage disclosures and talk about locking in your interest rates. This is a face-to-face meeting where we're going to go through and finalize a bunch of the details and kick off the financing phase. Step number 5, this is where we're transitioning into getting your loan fully approved. We add a teammate called a processor into the transaction, and they begin reviewing all of the information that you have provided to us and all of the necessary documents for the loan process. My processor may reach out to you and ask for additional information in this phase. Step number 6 is inspections. Back in the contract that you wrote, you may have chosen to do some inspections to protect yourself during this home buying process. This is when you start working with those inspectors and getting all of that work completed. Step number 7 is getting the appraisal. An appraisal is essentially a tool that we use to confirm the market value of the house that you purchased. Usually takes about 2 weeks to get completed, and what we're doing here is protecting you as the home buyer, making sure the value matches what you've agreed upon in the purchase price. Step number 8 is title work. We're going to make sure in this step to have all of the legal paperwork reviewed and analyzed to make sure that as the property transitions into your name, everything is done properly. Step number 9, homeowner's insurance. You're going to need to work with the agent that you have chosen to finalize the homeowner's insurance. Once that's finalized, you'll need to reach out to our team to connect the insurance to the mortgage that you're taking out. Step number 10, underwriting review. Essentially, an underwriter on our team is reviewing all of the information about what you have provided to us, application, and all of the details so far throughout the process. And they're verifying what is necessary for the mortgage world, and they're connecting the dots, making sure that you are fully approved for the loan. Step number 11, full loan approval. Congratulations. You've gone through all of the hoops that are necessary to get your home fully approved. You've checked all the boxes, and you're ready to move on to closing. Congratulations. Step number 12 is the final step in the process other than moving. Step number 12 is closing. We're going to need to meet with yourself, myself, your agent, and someone for representing the seller. We're going to sign a bunch of paperwork, and when you leave that meeting, you're going to have keys to your brand new home. Congratulations. I know that this is only a quick review of all 12 of the steps, so what I've done to help your education is build an individual video on each one of these steps to take your education further as you go through this home buying journey. Please click on the link below and it will take you to these 12 individual videos so that you can continue on your education journey to make sure that you're comfortable and confident in all the decisions that you're going to make when financing your new home. Thanks so much for your time and make it a great day. I'd like to be your guide through this mortgage planning process. Please let me know how I can be of assistance to you. If you need further education around getting a mortgage or buying a new home, please go to mortgageclassroom.com to further your education. If you're ready to get started today with an online application, you can do that at timlammortgage.com and start your online application there. If you're ready to schedule a face-to-face meeting, please reach out to me today at 319-360-9455 so we can schedule that mortgage planning session and get you fully pre-qualified.